Gary's getting up the minute. His grandson's coming in the band.
Oh, right.
The property, Gary, he yelled, "We love you," Timothy.
We love you, Timothy. We love you, Timothy. Where's he at? Is he in the band or
He's in the band, yeah.
Give us a nudge when you want us to shout then.
Has he playing through the drum today?